Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video on how you can search for channels on Telegram. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. In order to search Telegram channels, what you'll need to do is first thing you need to make sure that you've already created an account. So in case if you don't know how to create a Telegram account, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up your Play Store application and then type in Telegram, click on install. Once you're done installing the application, you'll need to create an account using your contact information. Once you provide your phone number, next interface they'll ask for an OTP that will be sent through an SMS. Once you enter in your OTP, you have successfully created a Telegram account. In order to search for the Telegram channel, what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And as you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is telegram.eu/channel, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the Telegram channels. Now right on this page, you'll have a list of categories such as politics, videos and movies, entertainment, books. You can go through all of these. In order to subscribe or in order to join the group, what you need to do is first thing you need to select the category that you're interested in. So for example, I'm gonna go with the entertainment. After you click on it, next interface you'll be able to see a suggested channel, so you can go through all of these information. So there are descriptions, so you can go through it and then select the channel accordingly. So all you need to do is just click on the link, and after that you'll be taken to the official site or the channel page. So this is what it actually looks like. So there are a brief description about the channel as well. So in order to subscribe, click on the option that is subscribe, which is right on top, and after that you'll be taken to your Telegram application. In order to join it, click on join, which is right at the bottom, and as soon as you do that, you are a part of this particular group. Now do the same procedure with the rest of the following features or the categories that you wish to join. So that is how you can search for Telegram channels. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.